So I am Rajendra Velagapudi, Senior Vice President of Aerospace, who is responsible for the global delivery and operations. So we are based in Hyderabad, headquartered in Hyderabad. So we provide engineering services to all the global aerospace companies. We have 9,200 plus employees. We'll be expecting to close our financial year by March 2012 at around $335 million. Today we support on the engineering services predominantly on the aerospace, where 1/3 of our business comes from aerospace business. So we have the customers like Pratt & Whitney, who makes the aero engines, and we have Hamilton Sundstrand, who supports the OEM for all the aircraft systems and electrical subsystems. So we also have Boeing as our customer. We work with Airbus. We work with other aerospace customers like GKN, Deal Air Cabin, and so on and so forth. Today our aerospace, we have close to 2,600 engineers. So we provide services like starting from design and analysis, and we also provide aftermarket services. So once the aircraft get sold, so we are the ones who is responsible for some of our customers to provide aftermarket services for all their products. We also have manufacturing engineering services, where we provide manufacturing engineering, writing process sheets, NC programming, first article inspections, and part transitions from one country to the other low-cost countries. We also have avionics as a practice, where we provide the embedded systems and electronics activities. So that is one of our major in the avionics business. And we also have the interiors, where we do all the aircraft interiors, starting from the floor to the frames and the sides, the side curvatures, and also on the racks on the top. So everything from the floor to floor, we call it. That's what we would provide in the interiors for Airbus, all major aircrafts, through one of our customers. We also have a lot of support we provide to our engineering customers to improving their productivity tools. So that is one of our major support to engineering customers in terms of giving a value for a product efficiencies. So today we have Infotech is globally supporting at 30 locations globally across this thing. So we have offices around the globe, and we have the global delivery centers, 5 in India, we have 5 in North America, 2